So let's check out the MagBak case for the 14 Pro Max. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. Big thanks to MagBak for sending this case out to me for review. Massively appreciate it guys. This is their MagSafe case. This is the black version. This comes also in other colors as well. I think there's a blue and a grey, which is quite nice. This is the black version. First off, out of the box, there's the case. First impressions, it has like a silicone type finish, which seems quite nice. And yeah, it's going to be a fingerprint magnet, but that's silicone cases for you, unfortunately. Also, we have a little alcohol pad here for your little Magstick, which we will get to in a minute. Then we also have this little booklet and a little spare 3M sticker as well for your Magstick. So this is the Magstick. So this is the sort of thing, if you want to stick this in your car, on your dashboard, you can mount this onto your case and all that sort of thing. So yeah, that's what that's for. Now I know what you're thinking. You're probably thinking, but sure, we have MagSafe, why would we need this, blah blah blah. So also, question for me, I've been wondering is just what way the magnet layout is on this, and I have some magnet paper here, so we'll just fire it over the phone and we'll just check it out. So there we go. So as you can see on that case, we not only have the MagSafe ring there to make it MagSafe compatible, but there's also then these other magnetic bars which surround the circle of the MagSafe ring. So you have tons of options here for magnetic mounting, especially with the Magstick and then your MagSafe accessories as well. So yeah, that seems pretty good, I must say. And on the inside, MagSafe compatible, you can see the ring here. Fair enough. We have our MagBak and our patented technology, which is pretty sweet. So yeah, the case does look pretty square, and it's got a little bit of flex to it. It's a silicone case, but at the end of the day, it is what it is. It's a silicone case. So let's weigh this case. Now, I have my nice new scale, so I don't have to steal Kylie's scale from the kitchen anymore. That's how you know you're making it big on YouTube, when you can buy new scales for your cases. Nice. So we'll just reset that. 51 grams. Probably in and around the average sort of weight, between sort of 40-50 grams for a case. So it is what it is. So we'll just pop this in and we'll get a look and see just how it fits. Fitment's pretty good. The side parts of the case here are pretty flexible. It's a decent enough case. It's got a good lip. The lip comes up over the display, which is nice, and we do have a good lip up over those lenses. So if we do set it down flat, those lenses and that display aren't going to touch the surface. So yeah, you'll get a bit of protection there. That's a given. We'll do a button test then. I'll just sort of hold this up to my mic. Not the clickiest of buttons, if I'm honest, but they're good and responsive. Can't say anything bad about that. I do like this case. It does have a nice feel to it. It does look pretty premium. We've got that MagBak logo on the back of it there, and then their little logo in the middle. I do like it. It's a nice case. I do think this is just a little bit more square around the corners, but yeah, it makes it unique. I suppose that's a good thing. I do like the feel of silicone cases. Now, I'll be honest, over the past maybe few years, I've sort of transitioned away from silicone cases myself personally, just because of the sort of anything you get on your fingers, like little oils or whatever, like the silicone just eats it up and it's just a fingerprint magnet. So I've sort of transitioned away, but I do like the feel of a good silicone case. Now, I will be honest about that, and this is a nice feeling case. Now, I do like it. It doesn't feel bulky in the hand either, which is good. There is an element of minimalism here, which is pretty decent. On to the MagSafe Test. Now, I'm intrigued how the MagSafe Test is going to go for this one, because of the MagBak's unique MagSafe layout, if that makes sense. So we'll just stick this on, and if you're not aware, if this is your first time checking out a case review video, my MagSafe Test consists of this little stand. This little stand is over 200 grams, so it's about the weight of the phone, give or take. My test is if it can lift the phone without dropping it, and if the phone can lift the stand without dropping it, it's a decent test. So let's check it out. So first off, we'll just hang the phone. I have to do this now because I've dropped my phone so many times. No, gee, that's really, really good actually. Wow. Top marks. Top marks for that Magsafe test. That is, oh damn, that's really good. Ooh. Yeah, top. That is top. That passes the Magsafe test 100%. Top Magsafe. So this case, so let's talk about the price. The price of this case is $55 on MagBak's website. It's not the cheapest of cases out there, but as always guys, I've got a deal for you. In the description down below, I will leave you an affiliate link and a discount code for the MagBak case so you can save yourself a bit of money on it. Check that out. As always, affiliate links help support the channel, but they don't cost you guys any more money. So if you do pick up one of these cases using one of my links, appreciate your support. So what's your guys' thoughts on the MagBak case? Let me know in the comments down below. Do you like a good quality silicone case for your iPhone? If you do, you might want to look at this because it is a nice case and it is a slightly different design to some of the other ones out there. So it is a little bit unique as well. I personally, I do like it. It's a pretty nice case, and we've got loads of magnetic options there as well. So that's pretty awesome. So I hope you liked the video guys. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button for me. And if you haven't already, click that subscribe button and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. And yeah, I'm gonna leave it there. If you want to see more down to earth tech review videos and accessories, you know where to come guys. You hit up Michael's Tech Talk. And until the next one, catch you later.